In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to fix revoked on sideloaded apps. So, what exactly are revoked apps? Well, when you sideload an app onto your device that's not from the official app store, then it's not explicitly permitted by Apple. This means that Apple can revoke the app certificate, rendering it unusable. For the most part, the app stays valid for about 7 days, but after the 7 days, it is rendered useless as it becomes revoked. So to prevent your apps from revoking, all you need to do is just open up the App Store. And then what you're going to do is just simply search up DNSCloak here. And then you're just going to click on the first one here, click Get. And now it's installing. And while the app is installing, what I want you guys to do is just open up Notes. And you may need to create a new note. So I've already created one, so I don't have to do that. And what you guys want to do is just first click on the actual empty note, click return twice, and then you're just going to copy and paste over here all of these. And so these links are the same links that Apple uses to revoke your certificates. And what we're going to do is essentially block Apple from accessing these. And I will also leave these in the description down below for you guys to copy and paste, and in the comments as well. But once you're done, you're just going to click this share button here and then click save to files. And then obviously you can name your file here and click save. Oh, and make sure that the last one is .com here. And by now the DNSCloak app should be downloaded. So just go to your home screen, and then you will also need to add the DNSCloak app to your home screen. So just click on the app here. And now what you're going to do is click on the 3 lines here and then tap connect on demand. And we also have one more thing to do here. And so what we're going to do is click on blacklist and whitelist. Click enable blacklist. And it should automatically open up the files app where you can click on your text file. So you can see here I have two. One of them is empty and one of them is right over here. So the one that's not empty, I'm going to click on that. And so now that you've done this, just click back here. And what you're going to do is look for add guard-DNS here. So just click on this, click use server. And then it's going to say DNSCloak would like to add VPN configurations. Click allow. And then you'll enter your password here. And it's going to say starting DNS service here. And you can see VPN is enabled at the top over here. So just wait for this pop-up to disappear. And that's it. Now you can never worry about revokes again. So try out your apps and see if they still work. And if you're also able to download previously revoked apps. Anyways, I hope this video helped. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos like this. I'll be making a video on how you guys can use Scarlet as well. So make sure that you guys do subscribe for that. Thanks for watching.